Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question October 2023 and variant 43 and question number 7 in the past paper. Okay, let's go start it first of all. So he's 3 marks. Okay, there are 3 empty spaces you can see. So plug in this 45 in the place of this x. But how to plug in? Some students don't know how to plug in. I just help you. 3 times to cos in the bracket 2 times to 45 degree. And 2 to 45 degree, it is coming 0. So when you type in calculator, it's giving you 0. You can check your calculator even. So when I plug in 60 in the place here, it's 3 times to cos and 2 times to 60. So I get what? Negative 1.5. And I believe you're understanding. When I plug in 80 in the place of this, okay, so y is equal this working. You show to examiner or don't show to examiner, no problem at all. Okay, when I plug in 3 times to cos, one, because I have to check this value because this is negative 2.1, 2 point, actually this is coming what? Negative 2.819. After rounding, you can see every answer 1 dp. You see, 1 decimal place, 1 decimal place, 1 decimal place. So why not this 1 decimal place? So negative 2.8, because this number I need, this number I don't want. Which I don't want, bigger than 4? No. If bigger than 4, then we add, otherwise we never add. So I got negative 2.8. I believe these 3 marks are easy. Let's start drawing. But I said you before drawing, we have a formula. And what is the formula? Value divided by number of boxes. In my previous all lectures, I always explain this formula. Value is what? You can see 10. And number of boxes from here to here, 10. 10 by 10 is becoming 1. So it is coming 1 small box equal to 1. So I think point is very clear. Okay. 1 degree you can say, because these are degrees and angles. Okay, even he mentioned that these are 1 decimal place. Okay, anyway, what along y-axis? So formula same. So I'm writing value is how much? 1. And boxes how many? 5. So 1 by 5 is giving 0.2. So 1 box is equal to 0.2 and half box is equals to 0.1. Why I wrote 0.1? Because I must know sometime I need 0.1. So I must know half box. So see, this is 0.2. And if you ask me, sir, where is 0.1? And I show you, wait a minute. Some problem in this typing. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Wait. So 0.1 is where? In the half box here. So half box 0.1. And I believe you got the idea. Let's move on. First point, x is 0, y is 3. x0, y is 3. x0, y0, x0, y1, x0, y2, x0, y3. So this point I was looking for, this point. Okay, x is 10 degree and y is 2.8. 2.8 means because 1 box 0.2, so 2.8 is actually 1 box below. How come? Here 1 box down is 2.8. So I will mark this point. Next point is 20 and 2.3. 2.3 is where? It is 2. You know, 1 box above is 2.2. Do you know here this 2.2? This is a 2 point, this is a 2.4, 2.2. 2.3 come in the middle of that. So it means I will make it in a half box. And I believe all of you understanding how close and accurate I'm going to try. So 30 comes from x-axis and y is 1.5. Where's 1.5? 1.5 in the middle of that. 1.2, 1.4, 1.6. 1.5 in the middle. So this is coming from here and 30 come from here. So they meet at this point. Hold on, let me label it. Okay. Now next is a 40 and 0.5. 0.5 again and a half in middle here. So 2.5 box from 40. And 45 and 0. Where's 45? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45 and 0. I think this point is very easy. 50 and negative 0.5. Negative means below x-axis. So it means this I can mention 2.5, 1, 2, 2.5 box. So half box. Again 60 and negative 1.5. Negative 1.5 in the middle of that. So it means it is this was somewhere. So let's count and tell. I'm just 1, 2.5 box. So I believe you understanding what is going on. Next is 70 and negative 2.3. 70 come from here and negative 2.3 is where? Let me check. This is a negative 2. This is a -2.2 and -2.3 in the middle of somewhere. So it means I'm writing what here, students? This point. Okay, against 80, -2.8. And you know, this is a 3. So one box above. And 90 and -3 is naturally this point. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I'm going to make it. Get ready. Again, don't join directly. Wrong way of doing. You see, gradually it is coming down. Wait a minute. No. Now, okay. So you have to make a smooth as maximum as possible. So Alhamdulillah, up till now, 4 from 3, 7 marks cleared, 7 marks achieved. Now I said you, whenever you're doing these kind of questions, what to do, students? You will bring the top equation down. So let me copy first. This equation I'm copying and bringing down. Hold on, let me bring it down here. Every time I will try to match with that. Is this fully match with that? Perfect. So this fully match and become y. So I can write y is equal to -2. And I discussed before, I'm discussing once again. Equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0. If line passes through 1 and parallel to x-axis, y is equal to 1. If line pass going to 3 and parallel to x-axis, y equal to 3. So this is a very clear and final. A line goes through -2 and parallel to x-axis. So look, I can make a scale, and I'm going to drawing yeah. Let me erase the scale because this line is slightly going down. I have to bring it up. So this is a very sharp, not sharp intersection. I have to look very carefully where they intersect. So they're intersecting somewhere here. Go up and check this number. Okay, this is my answer. So one box is what? 1 degree. You know it very well. So 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. 65.5. It is coming in the middle again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 65.5. So this is my first answer. I'm getting 65.5 degree. It can be little variation also, no problem. If you get 65, correct answer. If you get 66, correct answer. All are correct answers. There are range of answers, so don't worry about it. Let's go the last part of this question for 3 marks. Again, this try to match. Is this fully matched? And answer is no. Why not matching, sir? Because this is matching correct. So I'm copy paste. Or do one thing. First, I copy whole equation as it is. Okay. You know, this is 120, but I need 3. So naturally, how to convert 120 into 3? Naturally divided by 40. I repeat my word. If I divide by 40, 0 will cancel with 0. 4 threes are, we got a claw. So I have equation, I'm dividing by 40. See, divide by 40 here, divide by 40 here, divide by 40 here. So what happens, students? Here, this cancel, I get a 3 cos double x. Here, this become only 2. Here, I've got a x by 40, x by 40. Is this a fully match with that equal to y? And congratulations, we have done this equation. And sometimes we say, write down equation of line. This equation of line. You can ask me, how is the equation of line, sir? Y is equals to -1 over 40 times to x plus 2. Hold on. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is c value. This is gradient value. So you see, it is a turn to be equation of straight line. This equation of straight line, and now I will make a table of 2 numbers, any 2 numbers, but these 2 values I will take from where? I will take the x value from 90 till 0, any 2 numbers. So ideal number is 0, which I will take always 0. And 10, no, don't take close to each other. 20 is better. 30 is okay. 40 is best. 50 also good. If I take 90, not a bad. But I think so. I will take just 30. 30 is enough or better. What is this number in denominator? 40. If I plug in 30 here, so chance of I'll get a decimal answer. If I put a 40 here, 40, 40 cancel, I get a whole number answer. So better to put here 80 or 40. 80 or 40 is good. Even 20 is also good because which can cancel. And I think so 30 is not a good choice. Good choice is a 40. So I'll take a 40. I'm putting 40. When I put 0 in the place of this x, what happens? Look, I show you. When x becomes 0, 0 comes here. So y is equals to 2 minus 0 over 40. And ultimately, I got y equal to 2. And I believe you people understanding what I'm saying. Okay, now I will put a 40 when I put 40 in the place of x. When I put 40 here, 40, 40. Look, I show you. 2 minus 40 over 40. 40, 40 cancel. I got a 1. 2 minus 1, I got a 1. Y in value 1. So I believe you got a point how I got these two values. X0, Y2 is naturally here. I show you green color here, x0, y2. Okay, where is x40, 10? X40 is here. Sorry, x40, y1. Y1 is here. So let me try to match. Y1 is here and x40. So they're meeting at this point. I believe you people understanding. Now, student, I will take a scale and keep my focus on these two green points and I will draw them. That's it. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. Hold on. Okay, this and this extend throughout. And don't make a small line. Always make a whole across diagram. So it is a very clear, okay, but this line cutting the curve where? If you look at here, there are 3 points are possibility. One, this possibility. Second is approximately, it is not, it is not. So it is this one or in the middle. And what I believe this in the middle is okay. So I believe this point is okay. But it also range 30.1, 30.2, 30.25. What is my approach? 30.25 is my answer. So 30 point, no, sorry, 32 point, hold on, 32.5. How come? 30, 31, 32, 32.5. If this answer can be 32 also, no problem at all. This answer can be 33 as well. No problem at all. So if you write any one answer, I believe all are correct. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I think the question is completely over and you got a proper idea. So let's go for next question.